back to another video. So today's video is going to be a get ready with me. I just got out the shower. Literally just got the shower. I installed my hair and I did my little baby hair. This wig is from Missy Hair Boutique, and y'all, can we get into these wigs? This is how it looks when I got out the shower. I didn't even really wet my hair. My hair was in a bonnet. I'm gonna finish up my hair and I'm gonna be doing my makeup. Located in New York, so I'll go to their location in Harlem, and I'm wearing their 28-inch loose deep wave wig. It's a 13x7, so as y'all can see, it comes with a lot of parting as well. Missy Hair Boutique does have a few locations, and you can also check out their website. So if you are located near one of their locations, I suggest you to go to their store and check out their hair. If not, definitely go on their website and see what they got going on. They also have free Black Friday deals that, honey, we need some good hair for Thanksgiving. So first I'm gonna start off by defining my part. I'm gonna do a middle part today, so I'm gonna just make sure that's straight. I always make sure to go in with the hot comb. I got this hot comb from the beauty supply store. It just makes the top of the hair super flat and neat. And I just make sure to always get the back of the hair too, because you don't want it to be bumpy or anything. I like to take a little angle brush and some concealer. This is the Juvia's Place concealer in the color 6. It's literally just dab. I literally have a skinnier angle brush, but I can't find it. So for now, I'm gonna just dab a little bit like that, and we're just gonna define the part. So now this is how the hair look fully wet, aside from the other side, which is more dry. Honestly, I like both of the looks. I like the wet look and I like the dry natural look. I like to use the Bio Silk oil. I remember one time I was getting my hair done, and the hairstylist, she put this on my straight hair, and the hair literally felt so silky. I can run my hands through it all day. It was flowing and it literally looked so natural. So ever since then, I've been using this oil, and it just makes the hair just feel so good. Give it a natural shine and just make it look so popping. So y'all need to get this, and y'all gonna see what I'm talking about right now. And a little bit does go a long way. I wouldn't suggest putting a lot of this on it. You don't want, the hair to be all wet and greasy. But this just, oh my God, make the hair so nice. So yeah, I really love this hair. Missy Hair Boutique, they always have great quality hair and get any shedding. I did dye this hair jet black, so it did shed just a little bit, but that's pretty normal. Can y'all look at the parting? It literally goes all the way back. So this also, if you want a full lace wig, or if you just want hair that have a good amount of parting space, but you don't really want to invest in a full lace wig, or you don't want to try a full lace wig out yet, definitely try out their 13x7 wig. And this is my first time actually having a 13x7. I didn't even know wigs can go farther than the 13x6, so really kudos to them for this wig. Y'all, it's really good. I'm gonna get started on my makeup, and I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Palette foundation. Now this is my first time trying this foundation. I'm probably a little bit late to the trend or whatever, but I heard it was full coverage and it was looking full coverage, so I got it. So I'm using the color Grwm 300, and I'm just gonna go in my beauty blender and literally just use like a dab. Whoa, girl. No way. Y'all see that? I know y'all seen that. That is some full ass coverage. Oh my god. So I mean, I did use this foundation a few days ago, I'm not gonna lie, but I literally like mixed it with another foundation. But this is like, do y'all see the coverage? Wait, hold on. I'm giving what, girl? I'm giving smooth filter. I look like an Instagram filter right now. No, I love this foundation. It is really nice. So I didn't use a concealer. I only been using a concealer, you know, when I do my parting and my wig. So I'm gonna actually use a concealer, and as I told y'all, it's in the color number 6. I'm just do a dab. Okay, ooh. Ooh, I'm looking like silk. My skin is looking like silk. It's looking like rich. So I'm gonna be using the black opal loose setting powder in the color medium. You can get this from the beauty supply store and from Ulta Beauty as well. And I just like to set under my eyes like so with the beauty blender. For my setting powder to settle anymore, I find it doesn't settle good for me. So what I do is I just literally just blend it in right when I apply it. I'm gonna go into the brows. This is how my brows look microbladed with no makeup on it. Yes, I did get my eyebrows microbladed by Queen, the brow lady. Make sure you check her out. She travels to New York. She also is located in Baltimore. And yeah, make sure you guys check her out. She did my brows, and I haven't got a touch up in a while. I'm overdue for a touch up, and my eyebrows still look good. I need to get a touch up. I need to make an appointment. I need to do that, but y'all need to check her out. I really highly suggest it, especially if you're someone, you know, who have like natural thin eyebrows, or you know, you just like some snatched eyebrows every day. Like, who wouldn't want this? But yeah, make sure you check it out, and the pain was not bad. Okay, so for the brows, I'm gonna be using the NYX eyebrow pencil in the color, let's see what this is, Espresso. Usually I just use any eyebrow pencil from the beauty supply store or anything. That's what I do. But one day I just felt a little bougie, so I'm like, let me use NYX, you know. So I just go in with the following the natural you know, shape of my eyebrow, like that. I told y'all, when you microblade your eyebrows, it's just so easier. So hold up, moment of silence. And yeah, just really, and it's literally done, and then I just go make some strokes up. And I just use the spoolie to blend everything up like that. Mascara time. I stopped wearing lashes a long time ago. First and foremost, because I always use weave glue to glue down my lashes. And honestly, I had never had no problem with it. But I'm just tired of wearing eyelashes. I think I grew up. I think I grew out of it. And I just like, I don't really like lashes anymore. They're too annoying. Like it's just too much, you know. I like, you know, a natural look, you know, a natural looking girl. So I use 3 mascaras. And my natural lashes, they actually grew. You can't really see them, but they actually grew, because I remember I got lash extensions one time and I was literally bored-eyed. So I use the Essence, the false lashes. I use the Essence one. This is the one I use. I got all of these from Ulta. So I go in with this one because it gives first it gives volume to my natural lashes. It gives volume, so it just makes it longer, and that is the first step. We need to make it longer, and then you know the dramaticness and everything comes later, y'all. I've been using mascara for so long. I am literally a pro at this. And I also like to, you know, go in like this individually because I really like that cat eye look. I like longer lashes, like more to the end of my eye, like that. Just go up, go up. So as you can see, just from that one mascara, my lashes is looking real long. So now I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna do one eye on camera and the other eye off camera, but now I'm gonna go in with my what's this, L'Oreal Rimmel London Skinless Eyes, cat eyes. And we just gonna, you know, just give it more volume and makes the lashes more darker. Then we're gonna go in with the Essence mascara. This is called Get Big Lashes. And y'all probably like, how are you taking off all this mascara at the end of the day? And I literally just picked the mascara off my eyes. I don't know how it works with me, but my natural eyelashes never come off. I literally just pick it off. I literally just pick it off. But yeah. I'm just gonna set everything. And as you can see, girl, who need lashes? Who need lashes, girl? Who need lashes? Like, look at my lashes. They are so naturally long with mascara. But okay, so now I'm gonna go in my Kiss lip liner. This is in the color Dark Plum Purple. I got this from the beauty supply store as well. And I'm gonna just line my lips up. And I'm gonna go in with my NYX Butter Glow in the color Madeline. Okay, y'all, so I love, oh my god, I love how everything turned out. The hair is bomb. How far the hair comes up to me. I'm 5'5", so it comes up, you know, literally about up to my waist. And it's so cute, y'all. So make sure you definitely check Missy Hair Boutique out. And I would definitely like do more of these get ready with me makeup type videos, because I'm still shocked how good that Juvia's Place foundation made my face look so smooth like butter. But thank you all so much all for watching. I hope you have a blessed week. And yeah, stay cute, stay beautiful, and don't let a bald-headed bitch take your shine. Love you.